dimensions or proportions. Now, legs. I like to draw the knees at the bottom of level 6. And disclaimer, it doesn't have to, this is not a rule of thumb where, okay, if it's not on level 6, then no, it's wrong. No. It's just, art is just such a diverse thing that your design, depending on your character design, if you wanted to have shorter legs, then do it. I'm just telling you, if you want to improve your drawing game, your level, then at least hear me out and try to respect proportions. I know you understand. Let's just go ahead and move on. Knee level here, knee number 1, knee number 2. Just gonna draw. Connect these lines here. That's the growing area, like I said. A little thin. So we're just gonna look. If you have to erase,